went inside the Narcotics Control Bureau office. Of course, he might be here to support Ananya because she has been called. She's also a budding actress in Bollywood, and they are very close to Shah Rukh Khan's family, is what has been told. Now let's try and understand that what kind of WhatsApp chats they have recovered. Mustafa, you just saw that Chunky Pandey was also entering the office of Narcotics Control Bureau. What is that the Narcotics Control Bureau would like to know from him? Has he been also called for questioning, or he's just here to support his daughter?
Well, it looks like as of now, Sahil, that he's here to support his daughter, and NCB is conducting multiple raids on some of the arrested accusers' houses also, and this is just what NCB is trying is to widen its net, either to get strong evidences against Aryan Khan and prove their case and add more points when it comes to arguing a bail for Aryan Khan in the High Court. And secondly, the entire people who are in touch with Aryan Khan, especially the star kids of Bollywood, are under NCB's scanner. That is very much clear, because the phone, the dump data of Aryan Khan's phone is now with the forensics experts. They are going through it, and they are going through the years of chats which the Aryan Khan has had, and whatever is regarding the drugs, it is coming to light. Remember, this chat with Ananya Pandey was shown inside the court at the Sessions Court when the bail was being argued, and this was used to oppose Aryan Khan's bail, and eventually we saw Aryan Khan's bail getting rejected. And then the NCB reached Ananya Pandey's house, served her a summon, and a detailed questionnaire was prepared for her. She was given few hours of time to appear before the NCB. This morning she received a summon, and at 4 p.m. she was inside the NCB office, her father accompanying her. Questions will be asked, but yes, we can also understand this, that Ananya Pandey also knew somewhere that she has had friendship and chats with Aryan Khan, and now that his phone is with the NCB, this can eventually be a day where she will be summoned with the NCB, and that has happened. So these are two ways helping NCB. These summons of star kids will help NCB in two ways. Either they'll get more accused in the case who are consuming drugs. If not, then at least the case against Aryan Khan will be strengthened if they get confessions and statements of these people. These people will become a witness that Aryan Khan was consuming drugs, and the NCB, we know, will not stop at this. They will then go to the drug peddlers from whom these drugs was procured. They will arrest each of the drug peddlers on each of the occasions from whom the drugs was procured, and then the entire case will build up. So you can say that the NCB has arrested 20 accused so far in the cruise drug bust case, but it can eventually just be the starting of this entire, the tip of the iceberg, because they are not stopping at this. They are really going after Aryan Khan, collecting strong evidences against him, and also going after people who have had chats with him regarding drugs. And we'll know, and in the coming days there can be more people related to Bollywood who could be called on the basis of the WhatsApp chats. Today NCB team visited Mannat too, but we are being told that it was just an exchange of documents. But the questions are being raised, why the exchange of documents took place with two teams of NCB officials, including the investigating officer, reaching at Mannat, and why not somebody from the SRK's team, his manager, was called at the NCB with the documents. So these are questions which only suggest that NCB has taken an active position in this entire case, and they are probing further to find out more evidences. Back to you.
Well, Mustafa, I want to ask you further about the kind of action plan which I can see here with the Narcotics Control Bureau. Narcotics Control Bureau has managed to secure Aryan Khan's custody in the first place, and after that they have also managed that he should not get bail only on the basis of the WhatsApp chats they had shown to the judge in the Sessions Court yesterday, day before yesterday, when the hearing was happening. Now, interestingly, what we can see here is that the judgment in the Supreme Court had made it very clear that the WhatsApp chat needs to be corroborated with the evidence. What it looks like now is that the WhatsApp chats they have recovered from Aryan Khan's phone, they are trying to create this chain which may corroborate whatever was found in the WhatsApp chat. Is it what the Narcotics Control Bureau is trying to do before the Bombay High Court hears Aryan Khan's case on Tuesday?
Well, exactly. It looks likely, Sahil, that once the reply of NCB in the High Court opposing Aryan Khan bail will be different from what it was done in the Sessions Court. That is what our sources are telling us, and that's why this entire activity is on to collect more and more evidences against Aryan Khan. Remember, the bail has been rejected in a Sessions Court on the grounds that the sections which have been applied are stringent. Bombay High Court, we know that had given bail to Riya Chakrabarti in these same stringent sections. So once Aryan Khan's case comes up, but yes, the prosecution, if says that they are investigating and these are new grounds which they have found out for which Aryan Khan should remain in jail, then the High Court will also have to consider. So clearly it is not going to be the same arguments, same grounds, same evidence for the NCB what it was in the Sessions Court. They are preparing a tight ground for it, as we are being said, because there are 5 days which the NCB has. Just today, Aryan Khan's lawyers approached High Court and they were given a date of Tuesday for hearing. It's a preliminary hearing which is going to take place. The order will take 2 to 3 more working days more. But this gives NCB 5 days time till Tuesday, and in 5 days, its sources are telling us that the NCB team is very much active on this case, and they'll be going out, carrying out searches, carrying out raids, and building up that tight case as watertight against Aryan Khan so that it cannot be challenged, because we have seen that the entire case has been under scrutiny, it has been under political allegations, and we saw senior Supreme Court lawyers.
The NCB is trying to tighten up the case, what they have against Aryan Khan and others, but right now they are pursuing the angle what Aryan Khan is found to be in, and because of that he has not been able to get the bail at this point of time. Now interestingly, the WhatsApp chats, as I was mentioning and I was discussing with Mustafa a while back, there are 2 separate judgments on that. What exactly the Supreme Court thinks about these WhatsApp chats as an evidence. In one of the judgments, the Supreme Court says that the WhatsApp chats cannot be taken up as an evidence because it can be managed, but it needs to be corroborated with the actual evidence in the case. Only then we can say that the WhatsApp chat is an evidence. There are 2 separate judgments over it. Let's take a look at that.